Hello all. Today we are going to discuss integration issues between Remedy and Digital Workplace Catalog. So this is Digital Workplace. This is a create work order service created in Digital Workplace Catalog. It is intended to generate a work order in ITSM. I've submitted this service. The request is 10120. Now if I add a comment from here, I'll expect this comment also going through to Digital Workplace request. But I do not see that comment loaded. This is the comment from Digital Workplace only. So it means that the transaction or the callback from the Remedy server is not reaching to the catalog server. If I refresh this, now I see another transaction which is waiting to be sent, which should actually have gotten sent by now. This is the comment from ITSM. So we need to know what is stopping this comment to be sent. So we should be knowing before that when we run the integration patch on the ITSM server, it creates these forms at the ITSM side. It also creates a remote action file which is responsible to pick the records from here and complete the transaction. So that remote action file configuration and the configurations for that integration are done on two forms in the Remedy server. Let's have a look on each form one by one. This is one form, that is SB local configuration. This stores the information of the Remedy server. It could be localhost, or if it is a server group, Remedy server group environment, then it could be the host name or the load balancer name. This is the admin user demo I'm using, the password for the same, and this is the path for the remote action file. This is the default file. After running the integration patch, the file gets created here. Let's have a look into the other form, that is SB remote approval configuration. This form stores the information of the Digital Workplace catalog server. This is the catalog server host name. Again, if it's a server group environment, we can use the load balancer name here. If the SSL is configured, then this checkbox needs to be selected and the corresponding port like 8843, 8443 or 443 has to be written here. This is the Digital Workplace catalog admin user. I'm using the tenant user here. So to validate if the configuration which we have done is correct or not, we can go into the remote action, test remote action form and test the connection. So this is the form. This form is available from 2002 version onwards. I'm testing the connection and I get the process failed error. If everything was correct, then the test result should have come as success. We see that it is not reading the Java path correctly. We can also validate by going into the remote action file location. So we know that the file location is this in the program files BMC software here system. So this is the same location. This is the remote action file. I'll run the remote action file manually. So here I see this error that this path is not recognized. I see that this is not the complete Java path. So I need to edit this file. I'll put Java here, save it in the Java path. Now it should be able to identify the path, so I'll test it again. So now I see the success is the result. Configuration setting resulted in success test. Now I can go and refresh. I'll have to submit another comment, say comment from ITSM2. So this got sent. As we see, comment from ITSM2 got sent successfully. We can also revisit this request and see comment from ITSM has come successfully now. Thanks for watching the video.